God. I like God out there. I can't serve. You can't see a thing out of there. Okay, hey guys, welcome again to our channel. I am ready for love with Connoisseur and Jerome. Okay,
Hi.
guys, I'm telling you the truth. Session of two in the mood. You see it? Yeah. Nonetheless, it's Connoisseur's birthday eve, so we're gonna make the mood. So the plans cannot change because of the weather. Them say travel pass over the islands appearing far from morning. You understand?
Where's that name?
One pretty girl name, no boy go.
Julia.
Julia, some pretty girl name. I mash up the place. So the plan that we had before, we have to change that plan. So now we just go have a nice dinner. You don't know, say Papi is in the house. Papi say, hey. Yes, we have to find somewhere we know say, okay. It's also conducive, is the word? Are okay for him. You understand? So we're heading down to Salem, St. Anne, to a place named Milestone restaurant. I think I've seen some pictures of that location. I've never gone there before. So today we're going there, eat some food, come back our yard. Yeah. Tomorrow is really Connoisseur's birthday, but that's how we normally start. We normally start the day before. You see it, birthday eve. Alright, so babe, how are you feeling?
Feel kind of blah.
She feel kind of blah, people.
Like, not feel it, but...
You soon feel it here?
Yeah.
People comment down below, like you soon feel it. Anyways, big up on yourself. You see that peer traffic up on the road. Google Maps actually told us that this was the situation, but I think I underestimated.
Say 8 minutes actually.
Yeah, Sister Google said 8 minutes as traffic, so we're there at a good time at chill. The rain kind of ease up still, but you can see say enough finish. The place still overcast. Yeah. So hopefully we'll get there in due time and the food not done, or we'll not get the bun. Guys, so we are much out in the see it now. What you call them? A mustard this? Papi, show them a mustard. You gonna sleep? Mr. Once this car start drive, this boy start sleep. Mighty God.
So all who know so with that Jamaica. Yay,
Oh, some people never know so with that Jamaica. People that we are, is it?
Everybody I go with what they vlog them and say, but me tell them, so then they're behind.
Yeah, but we're going to catch up because we're not take long to release the video, is it? But we're guys, I just know something. Oh yeah, I say what I go. Right, tell me what I go say. You say I'm not gonna edit it. That's what I say. Anyways. No sir, what is? What book I'm not sure more to grow. We just reached Milestone restaurant. Papi sleeping and minding one business. Boss girl table there, see it, just not giving her food. Hello. Guys, I work on her, see it? Tomorrow she'll have a testimony to give you.
Yes,
Anyways, so let's go on for the menu and then the link will back, alright? Hey guys, we never remember.
You never remember.
We did remember to close the video before we left the restaurant, but nonetheless, we leave like probably 10 minutes ago. So my girl, you might talk. Sure. We're on our way back home. We're not lying, we can just do a brief review, don't we?
Yeah.
I can tell you that first and foremost, I know some people were honest. You understand? The food is slap when I not telling no lie. The food really, really good. It's a long while a long time I haven't gone to a restaurant and actually leave say, yeah man, the food tastes good. So Milestone, big up on yourself. We ordered soup appetizer. How was it, babe?
The soup really nice.
Yeah man, it was actually simple and nice. And I took brown stew fish. You get medium. People, you want to see medium
In the size of the medium fish. Woo!
I swear, big. And the bami them, me not lie. Me think me give the bami there 9 out of 10. Me tell you say it properly soaked in coconut milk. It really, really good. And the sauce and the fish was excellent. Great. Babe, what did you get?
I got the pork chop. It coming like them and pressure from last week. Tender, soft. What else? It was good.
Yeah, I tasted it was really good.
It was really good. Drinks were nice.
Yeah.
You know, I forget to look at virgin drinks then because, you know, we got a bang bang.
Yeah. Can I ease off my alcohol? I mean, I support it because you see it so.
Please make use.
No, and then I don't brush it. But I support that.
But yeah.
It was really good, man. And then customer service. For the most part, I think it was okay. I'm just gonna be honest. It was not the best. It was okay.
Them kind of little young.
Yeah, but the server that we got, she did an awesome job. I know probably shouldn't be for everybody.
Yeah.
But for us, it was really, really good. She was a real good server. She rapped really well. She come check up on us. So alright. She really did well. Honestly, I was impressed. You understand? Remember her name? What's her name again? Sashay, I think, something like that. Big up yourself. You understand? Even if you get the name wrong, she know herself. Yeah. She did a good job. So overall, people, may not lie. These days when you go, especially in Jamaica, it's hard to find good customer service. We don't know what happened. You like say the partner really important. Almost everyone we go off lately. Customer service awful, bad. When you into the bathroom, the same place bathroom clean. Them have one nice little thing on the wall. With a milestone, something. And AC the people.
AC
yes,
in the bathroom.
I've seen it before, but not in Jamaica here. Yeah, man, AC in people in the bathroom.
That's nice.
Yes, man, in the cold
You can't have so a bathroom
in there, it's real nice. Honestly, so I'm not telling like, big up on yourself. I am going to go back to Milestone. You understand?
Yeah.
Gone to restaurants in St. Ann area. I'm telling myself, say never again. I'm talking about me told me not dropping a restaurant again. Okay, Papi, we're gonna sing happy birthday to Mommy, okay? Okay? Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. Alright. 1, 2. Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Say Mommy. Mommy. Happy birthday to me. Say you. Say you. Say you. Tell me happy birthday.
Hey, baby.
Say Mommy, thank
Hey,
you.
baby.
Yay. What do you want to say to Mommy?
Thank you, Pumpkin.
Alright.